Hey, the Bears here, and today we're at
Nickelodeon Land!
Woo, woo. So we're down here at Blackpool Pleasure Beach,
yeah.
and we're here at Nickelodeon Land to see what there is.
Yay!
So let's find out. Woo, woo. Oh, you've been distracted already, have?
Fairy World.
Fairy World.
It's a taxi spin.
It's like Fairy Odd Parents, isn't it?
Fairy Odd Parents.
Well, it's good, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
Yeah. Bit too old for that, aren't we, I think?
Just a little bit.
Yeah. But we're just down here to see what there is, aren't we?
Yeah.
We've not really been through it before, have we?
No, we haven't.
We've only ever been on one ride here.
Yeah.
So we'll probably jump on that. Can you guess which one it is, guys?
Ooh.
Leave it in the comments. But yeah, let's have a look around.
Yeah. SpongeBob.
Mr. Krabs is angry, apparently.
Apparently so.
You best get to the kitchen, SpongeBob. Right, what are we going to do first, Ev?
I'm not sure. It's Blue Flyer.
I'm not too sure what a blue flyer is. Shall we go and find out? Yeah, let's do blue flyer. Yeah. We're going on, huh?
Yeah.
I don't know if we might go on this or not. It looks a bit small.
It's like a little family coaster.
Little family coaster, yeah. It's alright. Yeah. Whee! We're going on.
Yay!
Did you enjoy that, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, was it good?
Yeah, it was.
Good little kiddie coaster, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was.
Yeah, good fun.
It was a little bit rickety, but it was good.
Yeah, still good fun though, wasn't
Yeah.
it? Yeah, I enjoyed that.
Yeah.
It's like a smaller streak.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. Right, let's have a wander around then, see what there is in Nickelodeon Land.
Yeah.
Yay! And what have we found, Ev? A Nick shot, it's the Bears Escape Shop tour.
Nickelodeon!
I assume it's going to be a lot of Nickelodeon merch.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. Some pumps if you need them. Turtle Power. Raphael though, we don't want Donatello. It's not even Donatello, is it? It's Michelangelo.
Teletubbies.
Ooh, Teletubbies. SpongeBob there. I like the squirrel from SpongeBob. Mr. Sunshine. Was that Mrs. Sunshine?
Oh, it might be.
I don't know. Oh, there's loads of toys here, Ev. There are Turtle-tastic toys. Some King Kong, some Spider-Man there as well. Not seen him on Nickelodeon. Yeah, what have we got over here? Just more toys.
Holly's Little Kingdom.
Oh, there we go. And some Barbies. And some Squirkies.
Ah,
Postman Pat.
it's black and white now.
I didn't know Paw Patrol had dragons.
No, I didn't either.
No, that's a bit new, isn't it? Oh. More Paw Patrol over here. Oh, that's good. Oh, you can get headbands. Like Mickey ears, but not quite Mickey.
Yeah.
Peppa Pig. Ooh. Licence for that's down south though, isn't it?
It is
At
indeed.
Poulton's.
Oh,
Slime. Oh.
Nickelodeon Slime Fest.
Do like slime, don't we?
Yeah.
That's one of the prices for the slime there, guys. Yeah, loads of slime. Ooh. A Gary.
Gary the Snail.
Oh, he's good, isn't he?
Yeah.
Gary the Snail. Oh, he's good. We've got loads of SpongeBob stuff here. Some prices there. Yeah, oh, another snow globe.
Yeah.
Yay. So, limited edition pin badge there as well. Check that out. Oh, there's loads. You can get your sweets and your slushies there as well. Squidward.
Oh, he's got a big head.
He's got a wobbly head, hasn't he? To be
Yeah.
fair. Can't keep that. It's been on icon too many times. Little pocket money trinkets there. Seems pretty good. Nice little shop, isn't there? Just if you want some toys and things.
Yeah.
Yep. Boop, boop. Here he is. Is that Donatello? I can't remember which one's which.
No, I can't either. I didn't
No.
realise there was a purple one.
Yeah, purple one's got the stick.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
No, he hasn't. Yeah?
Yeah?
Blue one's got the sword. Raphael's the red one. He's got the fork things.
Yeah.
And Michelangelo's got the nunchucks.
Yeah.
And pizza.
Yeah.
Yay!
Splash Bash.
SpongeBob's Splash Bash.
Splash Bash.
Yes, it's like a little ride here. Let's get a little closer look. Yeah, looks pretty nice, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's like a teacup but a wet one.
Yeah, and you can square people there.
Square people.
Get them all wet. Oh, we're going to get wet in a minute. Oh no. I'd be on this rock. Yeah, that's pretty nice, isn't it, for the chill? Nice hot day, that'd be really good, wouldn't
Yeah.
it? I think we've got the log flume here, Ev.
Lovely. Yeah, it's the Rugrats one.
Well, the Rugrats one.
Yeah.
I haven't seen Rugrats for years.
No, normally.
I wonder how wet you get on this compared to Valhalla.
I bet you don't get as wet.
Probably not, no. Oh, there you go. An empty one.
A little splash.
That looks pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah. So the Krusty Krabs pickup, we were a bit confused, weren't we then?
Yeah, that's the Rugrats Lost River.
Yeah, that's the river there.
Yeah.
And this is a scary drop tower.
Yeah.
Look at that. How scary that is. It's like apocalypse.
You don't want to go on it?
Me? No. Do you want to go on it?
Not on my own.
It's a bit scary. We might come back in a minute.
Yeah.
We're just having a wander around.
Yeah.
What have we got this side of?
Bikini Bottom Bus Tour.
The Bikini Bottom Bus Tour. And taking on the tour of the Bikini Bottom.
Yeah.
Like it's taking many people. Oh, there's some people in the front there. Oh, that's pretty good, isn't it?
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah, and what, you've got a door or something over here. Yeah, I'm not too sure what that is. Next to the spinny water one. Yeah, it looks pretty good, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
Yay! We're going on the streak out. The Nickelodeon streak.
Yes.
Yes. We've been on this one before though.
We have.
We like this one, don't we?
Yeah, it's a good wooden coaster.
Yeah. Well, yeah, we said, well, everything's really close together, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
Really good, to be honest.
Really good, to be fair.
Especially for the little ones, they just run to the rides and everything, can't they?
Yeah.
Yeah, really good.
Really good.
Well, that was really good, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, a bit rickety though, isn't it?
Yeah, it's rickety.
A little bit rough. Yeah, it was a good fun one, that, isn't it?
Yeah,
Yeah,
good.
nice coaster for the kids to work their way up onto, I suppose.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, really enjoyed it.
Yeah.
Right, it's going to have a little wander around, not too much here, is there?
Nope.
But hopefully you've seen some bits you like and some stuff you want to go on.
Yeah.
Yay! Oh, look at they're going now, aren't they?
Yeah.
Oh, they're really good, aren't they?
It
Yeah, and they've got something there as well. I'm not too sure what that is.
Yeah. It goes up in the air and goes in circles.
I know, it looks a bit scary, that one, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's quite good, Nickelodeon Land, isn't it?
It is.
There's some games here to play.
Yeah.
Yeah, very good.
Very good.
Yay. We've got some Paw Patrol stuff here, like little car things you can go on. That's pretty good.
That's pretty good.
Next to, what's this? The big circus bounce. That's a bit of Nickelodeon Street there. Lovely stuff. Yeah, that's pretty good, isn't it? Little traction for some.
One.
Yeah, that's pretty good. It's like Dumbo a bit, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
Right, what's down here, Ev? Pirate Treasure.
Treasure.
Oh, is that, oh, that's another little bouncy one, I think, there,
Yeah,
isn't
I
it?
think it is.
Pirate Treasure there. And we're not too sure whether the fake Loki is included with Nickelodeon Land.
Yes.
But if it is, and it's there, guys. I'm going to show you a nice shot of that.
It looks to me like it's included.
Yeah, it looks alright, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Some loud music here, though. We know what that means. Ah. What have you found, Deb?
The bounce in action.
Oh, it's in action. Oh, it looks very good, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. I think that'll be very similar as well. Oh, good ride for little kids though, aren't they?
Yeah, they
Yeah,
are.
brilliant. Well, the big kids go on the big one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow, guys, I hope you've enjoyed that little tour around Nickelodeon Land.
Yeah.
It's really good. It's really good for the little ones, isn't it?
It is.
Yeah, what was your favourite, Have?
Nickelodeon Street.
I did like the streak, although Blue Friday was really good.
Yeah, it
Yeah,
was.
really good. If you want to see some more Blackpool videos, check out this one over here.